Hey traders, welcome to We Trade Waves weekly forex forecast. Guys, last week was amazing. Almost all the pairs went as expected, and I really hope all of you made money. Euro dollar, pound dollar, gold, DXY, almost all of them. I'll show you the proof shortly anyway, but all of you are new to We Trade Waves, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, and keep watching till the end. So for this one, before we cover this list, or before I start covering euro dollar, I'll go to this one just to show you a few things before we start. This is our YouTube channel. As you can see, you can go to this one and watch these videos, okay? This was the last forecast, by the way, posted 6 days ago, and thank you very much for all of you who are liking and commenting. On top of that, our trades of the week that were shared during our last Sunday session went as expected and to the target. As example, this is New Zealand CAD. As you can see it here, New Zealand CAD pull back and up again. This was one of the trades of the week shared last Sunday, which was May 12th. Okay, so if I go to New Zealand CAD here quickly to show you before we start, this is New Zealand CAD. Okay, so this was one of the days of the week, and like as you can see, market went all the way up from here to here. So this day before, this was the trade shared last Sunday to the upside, minimum to break this top, and market went further than that. The second trade that was shared last Sunday as well, it was this one, Pound Swiss. So if I go to Pound Swiss, look at this one, also to the upside to this level. And this is Pound Swiss posted on May 12th. Those of you are wondering how you can get access to this one, it's for WW Pro members, okay? So you go to this one, Pound Swiss, and look at this. Market went to the upside to here. We've got a pullback and all the way up to break this top as well. So this the before and this also the after here, as you can see. So not only the trades that we are covering on YouTube, but also the trades that we are giving to our pro members on actually the Sunday sessions. So if you are wondering how to access the Sunday sessions, you can get the free trial here. Those of you are new who haven't actually tested this one before, you can go to the free trial here. Or if you don't want to miss the big actually advantage, you can go to the WW Pro straight away. What to get access inside WW Pro? A lot of things, guys. Everything is explained anyway in the pricing page and in the YS page. On top of that, these are the daily sessions that you can get access to as soon as you join WW Pro. Of course, WW Masterclass course, We Trade Waves strategies, and again, all the details are on our website. Those of you who want to know more about YS, you can go to this page here and read everything. You can see here some of the videos, some of the success stories, testimonials, and also the success stories from inside We Trade Waves group. It's not only this, guys. If I show you the Slack, every week we have success stories, guys. Every single week. And look at this one. This was the last one. Congratulations, Kamal. Guys, you are on fire. We Trade Waves is on fire. And if you want to miss the train, it's up to you. But what I can say is actually we are on fire. We are the best. Our members are the best traders of the world. Actually, they are making progress. You can see the success stories on our Telegram channel, on our social media platforms. Go and check it by yourself. So Kamal, you have done a great job. You deserve this one. Just keep pushing. And by the way, T and I actually were receiving messages on a weekly basis, guys, and even daily basis. Look at this one. This actually another trader does. Again, we are happy actually for you. We are proud about every single member, and we are doing our best, guys, to keep pushing and keep actually giving what we have to our members. Not only this, by the way, last week we have covered the monthly Q&A session for weighted waivers. If you go to this one, this tab actually that you will get access to again once you join WW Pro. By the way, guys, it's up to you if you want to go with We Trade Waves train or you want to skip it. But what I am showing you on a weekly basis, you can even go to our YouTube channel and check some of the videos, okay? Check some of previous videos because we are posting here a lot of things, a lot of success stories. So it's up to you. But last week, we have covered this Q&A session for We Trade Waves. It was almost 2 hour session. The recording is on the dashboard for WW Pro members. And we have covered 25 plus stocks opportunities. So it's not only about forex trading, it's not only about the trades here that we give on Sunday sessions, it's also about the stocks. So during the last I'd say month session, just to give you an example, we have covered some of the stocks as well. And just to give you the detail, I hope like I can show it to you here. Look at this one. This was one of the stocks as well, Baba, Baidu, and Tesla, and also Zoom, along with a lot of other pairs. So just to show you, look at this one and look at the detail. So for Tesla, this was last month, guys, all right? On April, we've got this drop and we forecasted this upwave. Of course, this is updated on a daily basis and weekly basis as well, okay? So just to show you, if we go to Tesla here as example on the charts, look at this. I'll close this one here and I'll go to Tesla just to show you the detail and show you the accuracy of the forecast. Look at this one. This is the after. Market went to the downside to exact this zone and then up again. And if we measure this one in terms of investment, this almost 30% ROI, which is not small at all. And it's not only about Tesla. We covered Baba, we covered Baidu, and most of you know where are these stocks at the moment. So if you go to this one, look at this. This was actually the Baba stock, and look how the market went up from here all the way to this level. If I just measured this, I'll cover actually, guys, this list shortly, but just I'm showing you this one. This also 30% up wave in just 30 days, or in less than 30 days, I would say. Okay, so all of you are interested in this one. We are covering almost everything. Also, during the Sunday session, you can ask any question you have regarding any stock, regarding any pair, and we'll cover all the pairs anyway during the Sunday session. All of you are still new to WeTradeWaves. You can go to the website, check this page, this is the home page, and go to all the pages anyway. Check them, read about the why us, read about pricing, about us, everything. You can have actually access to it. The website is www.wetradewaves.com. Guys, it's your opportunity. If you want to miss it, it's up to you again. Again, like I said, we are on fire. We are the best. Our members are the best traders in the world, and you have to surround yourself with successful traders in order to succeed in trading. Okay, back to the charts. Euro dollar for this one, it was crazy. It was amazing. Market went as expected. Last week, market was here, right? So corrective structure up. This is what we have said, and that's what the market have done. Alan, any proof for that? Of course. If I go to this one, look at this. This was last week's forecast, as you can see, 6 days ago. By the way, thank you for all your likes and comments. All of you are benefiting, guys, from the weekly forecasts. Please give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. This is actually support us, and it will help YouTube algo to share this forecast to more traders. Okay, so this day before, by the way, corrective structure here and up. And look at this one here. Market gave us a corrective structure exactly here, and then this up wave. Amazing, isn't it? Now, in terms of the details, in terms of the levels are shared during the Sunday session. Okay, the Sunday session, like I said, go to the website and check how you can access them. Okay, so Alan, this was perfect. We've made money. I hope you guys, all of you, trade your dollar, traded this up wave, and made money trading this move. What's next? That's the most important part, right? Because again, we do not actually cherry pick any of these forecasts. Anyway, everything is on our YouTube channel. You can go and check it by yourself. Okay, so for this one, after this up wave, what we are expecting next is market to give us a drop. So me personally, I'm not a buyer anymore. I'm looking for the sell setups for euro dollar, especially if market go up to break this top. If that happens, I'm looking for the sell setups. Okay, so euro dollar we were buying. I was in the buy for pound dollar. I'll show you anyway the details shortly. But for this one, we were buying from here, as most of you should remember. And we said from here, market should give us a wave similar to this one, minimum. Those of you who remember this one, give us thumbs up, guys, and let me know in the comment section. I'll read every single comment, and I'll try to reply to all of them if I can. So this was the wave. It was a perfect, I would say, 250 pips move, 250 plus pips. And if you have traded this one, you have done a great job. What's next? Again, regardless of, I will not say regardless, I would say like we combine fundamental analysis. That's what we do on every Sunday. We start with fundamental analysis, geopolitics, and we combine this one with weighted wave analysis concept. Okay, so in this one, based on the CPI and based on what the Fed might be doing, all the details will be discussed in detail by T during the Sunday session. That will be tomorrow on every Sunday, I would say, at 12 p.m. UK time. So for this one push-up is very possible before markets start to give us this drop. Personally, I'll be selling euro dollar if I get the sell setup. Okay, so this was the move, and this is the trade that we will focus on. Of course, do not jump in. We will apply weighted wave strategies before we jump in any trade. Pound dollar for this one, this was again perfect to the pip, amazing. This was one of our trades of the week, by the way, from here. If you remember, to the upside, WW Pro members should remember this one, and you should have made money actually trading this up wave. Okay, even from here, we said market should push to the upside. This, by the way, was covered during the Sunday sessions. You can even go and check the previous forecast, guys, and the previous moves. So we've got an expanding flat here. This was easy. This was textbook pattern for weighted waivers, and we've got this buy. Personally, I took this buy. I have explained this during the Q&A session. If you want to get access to the recording is for pro members only. Okay, how to join the pro member? go to the website and check all the details there. So for this one, we've got this up wave. This was even, I would say, discussed and explained in detail during the Sunday and Wednesday sessions as well. So for this one, we said market will push to the downside, break this low, and push back up. Again, for us, it's easy. For you, it might be tough. Like, why, guys, you are expecting this one? Again, based on our experience and based on We Trade Waves special wave analysis concept. Is there any way for you to learn that? Of course, it's inside WTW Pro membership. You will get, guys, almost everything. Again, there is no lock-in, guys. You can anyway test us. You can go to this pricing page just to show you one more thing on what you can get access to. These are the features, by the way. Okay, all these ones is the features that you can get if you join WTW Pro. Okay, and again, you can join, test us for 1 month, and if you don't enjoy, if you don't like, you can cancel anytime. Okay, but of course, read the FAQs. If you have any questions, the question should be covered here. And if you have any more question, send us an email at info@wetradewaves.com. Okay, back to the charts, back to the forecast. For this one, last week we said market will correct for another push up. Corrective structural push up here, it's what the market have actually gave us. Again, if I go to the before, this is the pound dollar forecasted last Saturday. Okay, market was here. We said corrective structure here up, corrective structure up. Guys, it's public actually. You can go and check it by yourself here. Okay, again, back to this point, up, corrective structure up, corrective structure up. I'm not sure actually what do you want more than that. Okay, if you're looking for signals, don't do it, guys. The best thing you can do is to invest in yourself. The best investment you can ever do is to invest in yourself. How? Learn how to trade correctly. That's how you can become, or like this, how you become an independent, successful trader. Only by learning how to trade correctly. Any solution for that? Of course. The opportunity is in front of you. Go, grab it, and join the train, guys. Okay? Again, we are on fire. All you have to do is just join and be with us. You have to surround yourself with like-minded people, with successful traders in order to succeed in trading. Otherwise, you'll keep jumping from video to video, from channel to channel, from Telegram group, just hoping to finding the Holy Grail strategy, which is not here anyway. You cannot find it. All you have to do is just to master your mind and master actually your balance in order to succeed in trading. How? Like I said, learn how to trade correctly from the best. Who are the best? We are the best. Okay, I'm sure about that because again, it's my words and even our members. Go to Trustpilot and you can check that by yourself. So back to the charts. Pound dollar, what's next? We are not buyers anymore. We're buying from here, like I said, from here, and now anytime market can start to give us a drop. Of course, we will not jump in. All we'll do is we'll look for our sell setups to go for a sell. This sell, it might be an impulsive wave or a corrective structure. In all the cases, drop first. If we get a sell setup, our members, you know how to trade it. We'll go for it to the downside. Of course, we might be wrong and market can keep pushing to the upside. If that's the case, we'll not be in the buy. And if we will jump in the buy, we'll get out for a small loss. Guys, after you get in the trade, you should only have 4 outcomes. Small loss, break even, small win, or big win. Big loss situation, guys, shouldn't be one of the outcomes. Okay, so try to avoid big loss situation in order to make money in trading. How to avoid the big loss situation? Follow 4 golden rules of We Trade Waves. What are the 4 golden rules? Do not jump in, do not over-risk, over-trade, do not trade without stop loss, and never ever add to losing position. Okay, again, this should be actually the case. Anything other than that, just ignore it. That's actually pretty much it. So for this one, I think it's clear for you. I'm looking for the sell setups if market gives me a sell. Gold, again, it was crazy. It was perfect. The details and the levels were shared during the Sunday session by T. Even this one, 2340, WTW members, you should remember that, and 2400. So from here to here, this was a perfect setup. This was a perfect move. Even last Saturday, if we go to this one, just to show you, look at this. We said market will correct. Look at this level and look at this level. Market will correct. Of course, the levels were mentioned in detail or by numbers, I would say, by T during the Sunday session. If you want to get access to it, again, the website is in front of you. So for this one, this is the before and this is the after. Pull back 2340 and up wave 2400. WTW Pro members, guys, you should remember this one. And if you remember this, please give us thumbs up and leave a comment. If you traded this up wave, you must have made money. What after this up move? Market gave us a pullback, small pullback, and then all the way up. What's next, Alan? What's happening here? After this up wave, I'm expecting market to give us a drop minimum as a corrective structure or a pullback similar to this one. Again, this is minimum. Of course, this is affected by the dollar, and this affected by the geopolitical situation. I'll not cover this one here because, like I said, this will be covered by in detail tomorrow during the Sunday session. And this is what we have next week, by the way, regarding the news. Every single news event will be covered in detail by T. And of course, these news events will be actually, I would say, we'll combine them with weighted wave analysis concept to come up with the next wave, with the next opportunity. Okay, so for this one, gold, I'm not a buyer. Even if this will keep pushing the upside from here, let it do so. I'm not actually, I'm not buying gold from these levels. The buys were from here and from here as well. If you remember, I'll not go actually and I would say waste my time and your time to show you how our members traded this up wave. Go to the previous forecast last week and the week before to show actually to see how our members traded this up wave and made more than 9-to-1 in one single move. Okay, in this move as well. By the way, at We Trade Waves, guys, we have actually more sessions than the daily sessions as well. As example, our moderator Rudra, he is making actually internal sessions for WTW members on every Saturday, and also Rob, he's doing gold sessions. So Rob actually, we can call him actually the gold expert at We Trade Wave. We are doing gold sessions for weighted waivers. So if you like to trade gold, you should attend these sessions, guys, because they are very important and they are covered. Actually, Rob is covering all the details and all the possibilities, of course, with the levels and with the strategies. Anyway, for this one, up, pull back up, pull back up. What's next? Corrective structure is expected before the next up wave. If gold will break the top, which is a high probability chance move, I'll be looking for the sell setups. Of course, not blindly. The levels will be shared by T anyway, I would say tomorrow. DXY for this one, I hope all of you remember this forecast to the downside. Now market actually gave us this drop. Back to the before and after. This was the gold and this is DXY, okay? Remember this potential expanding flat. During the Q&A session, I covered what might be a change of structure for this one because this is very, very important for you to know the DXY full analysis in order to trade all the other majors. This was covered in detail during the Q&A session that was conducted last week. The recording is inside the dashboard of WTW Pro members, okay? So for this one, market gave us this drop, okay? Back to the charts, we've got a corrective structure here, and we've got this drop. After this drop, market started to push up. What's next? We might get a change of structure, okay? What is happening here, Aaron? What to expect next from this one? For gold, for dollar, market is giving us a complete structure. But if we get this up wave, which is the high probability chance move, after this, we'll update you. For now, let's focus on this up wave first. If we get this up wave, we will explain what we will do next, okay? I'll not actually try to jump to the next level or try to jump to what's next or the next wave. Let's focus on the short-term move, and the bigger picture is covered during the Q&A session, and also during the Sunday session, we'll cover the next one. But for now, based on what I can see at the moment, this is the wave short-term, this is the wave that I would say you should focus on first. Any other structure, if you have any change of structure, we might actually inform WW Pro members. For you guys, we'll try to inform you if we can on Telegram. Try to join our Telegram channel. We'll try to inform you if we have any change of structure. But this way to the downside, we can see one push up first before any next wave. All right? Again, I don't want you to go blindly and buy this one because after this up wave, we can have more than one possibility. Okay? But for now, just to be clear, just to be to the point, I am focusing on the buy setups first. Okay? Aussie dollar for this one as well. Market went to the upside as like all the other majors. I'm not sure if you can or if I have it here as well for you. This Aussie dollar, look at this one. Even we said market will correct before the next up wave. Okay, so this the before and this the after. Again, if we will be lucky, we might be lucky with 1 or 2 forecasts only, guys. Okay, it's not about luck, it's about consistency. We are here every single week for you to give you the next opportunity, and all of you know our high accuracy. Is there any way to learn that one, guys, to do by yourself? Of course, WTW Pro. It's your opportunity. Take it as an opportunity and start learning how to trade correctly from now, because you will not be able to learn, guys, in 1 week. This will take few months for you to master the concept. That's why start now and do not waste more time and money. A lot of members are joining WTW Pro on a weekly basis, and all of them who are joining, guys, they are actually liking it and they are enjoying and learning on a daily basis. So what I'm trying to say, do not waste more time and money. Take the decision, take the opportunity, and if you don't like it, you can cancel anytime, like I always say, okay? So for this one, Mark gave us a corrective structure, up, fantastic, perfect, another perfect setup. What's next regarding this one? Even if market will push to the upside to break this top or not, I'm looking for the sell setups. Of course, market can start dropping from here, okay? So for me personally, short term for the next few days, I'm looking for the sell setups for Aussie dollar, okay? This drop, it can become an impulsive wave. But for now, let's focus on the drop, on the sell before the next move. Dollar Swiss, again, one of the pairs that we're focusing on. And like I said corrective structure here and then a drop, if you remember. I believe if I go to the before again, this is Dollar Swiss, this is 6 days ago, and look at this one. Corrective structure and then drop to break these lows. Why I was expecting market to break these lows here? Because we're having liquidity under this one, and this one, okay? So corrective structure, this was perfect, drop, and then after that, market start to push up. The details, the levels were shared by T during the Sunday session. You should not miss this one, by the way, guys, because the levels are very, very important. Even during the Sunday sessions, we said market will keep crawling to the upside and we will have this drop. A lot of our members who trade Dollar Swiss went for the sell and they made money trading the sell setups, okay? Now, what's next regarding this one, Alan? We can get a corrective structure, want to push up. That's the first, I would say, move. That's the first reaction. After this one, we'll update you. For now, short term, we'll be looking for the buy setups. If we get a buy, you can go for it. All right? USOIL, again, amazing, to the point, to the pip. Guys, like the before and after is in front of you. I might be a bit like in rush because I really need to make a move shortly, but I really hope, guys, you are getting all what I'm trying to explain, because this is very, very important. So for this one, look at this. This is the USOIL chart, okay? Look at this one here. This is 6 days ago. This is the forecast in front of you. And we said drop and then up again. 2 waves in advance. I would say sometimes during the Sunday session, we give 4 waves in advance. This is like no one can give you that, I would say, that much accuracy, or like these sort of forecasts. You can get them only at weighted waves, okay? So for that, we've got this drop, market dropped, we broke this low, and then after this drop, market start to push to the upside. 2 waves in advance, you can go where to, you can actually know where to sell, where to take profits, how to enter again, and how actually to maximize profits, okay? So again, USOIL, we've got this up wave. What's next? Corrective structure, want to push up first before the next structure. This can turn out to be an expanding flat before the next drop. But for now, let's focus on this up wave first before the next structure. Details, I would say like the macroeconomic factors regarding this one, what will be the effect of the news, the effect of the geopolitics situation on USOIL. All of this will be covered in detail by T during the Sunday session, guys. Do not miss it, because the Sunday sessions are very, very important and you can get access to it live and access to the recording as well, okay? If I need to show you an example, if you go to the dashboard and I go to weekly live sessions, look at this one. For the Sunday sessions, you can get access to the live sessions here, and the timing is updated here, by the way, for all of you who are not aware actually of where might be the Sunday session. If you go to the downside and look at this one here, these are the recordings, guys, that you can get access to. Why I'm mentioning this one? Because at the start of every Sunday session, we are giving a lot of explanation about topics regarding trading. That's why they are very, very important, because on every Sunday, you will learn something new, okay? So for USOIL, I hope this is clear. Dollar CAD, this was one of the pairs that I covered during the last Q&A session last month, and I said to our members, guys, you should look for sell setups from here, okay? So again, how to get access to this one, or where you can check this, if you go to the dashboard and you go to the monthly Q&A session, inside this one, last month, which is April, I covered Dollar CAD to the downside as a big trade, okay? And a lot of our members took this sell to the downside here, okay? So for this, From this one, we've got the drop, pullback, and then drop. What's next? Looks like this is a corrective structure right now, which means one more push up is very possible before the next wave. If I need to take any action, if I need to take any trade short term for dollar CAD, it will be to the upside, and I'll look for the buy setups. Okay. By the way, this is actually the 4 hours that we are covering here, which will give you a pretty good idea on which wave you should look for. Dollar yen for this one, like I said last week, I'm not trusting yen anymore, but if you want to trade, you can go for the sells. From here, on the Sunday sessions, I would say on one of the Sunday sessions, T said 157. Okay, that's why I'm saying I'm mentioning the levels because if you know that from here market will be going to this level, you can set the entries, you can set the stop loss, the targets, and just go for it. Even for this one, we have mentioned a drop and then up again. What's next? Looks like market will correct for one more push up. Okay, if I need to take any short-term trade, this might be to the upside for dollar yen. Okay, again, the levels, if this will be one of the trades of the week or not, it might be covered during the Sunday session. Bitcoin for this one, what's happening here, Alan? Why the market went to the upside? Because after breaking this low, market went up sharply. We've got a corrective structure and then up again. Market changed the structure here from this running flat. This is not a running flat anymore. Okay, like I said last week, one more push up to the upside, or market can go up from here. This is what market is doing. Decide to go to the upside from here. Still, we can get another structure here. What will be the structure? This drop is still possible. It's a 50-50 probability chance till now. All of you are buying or are in the buy. You must be happy and you must be making profits right now. Even our members who trade gold, who trade actually Bitcoin, they are in the buy from here, exactly this level. Why? Because they know that this was a potential running flat in the middle and this a complete structure, and now they can trade this one to the upside. And some of our members are in the buy from these levels. Again, guys, if you want to join them, you know what to do. Now, Alan, what after this structure? What is the structure here? This has now become a potential 5 waves corrective structure before the next up wave. This is still a 50-50 probability chance, guys, till now. Okay, why I'm mentioning this part? Because this is very, very important, and looks like they are trying to make sure everybody is out before the next bull run. This is what I can see they are doing. Okay, so this drop is still possible. This is still one of the possibilities, and again, it's not a high probability chance. It's a 50-50 probability chance at the moment. Now, some of you are saying, okay, Alan, what to do now? If you are saying market can go up and market can go down. We are biased to the upside. We were clear into this one since the beginning, okay? Now, this forecast is for those who are not in yet. If you are not in yet, you can wait for market to drop to go for the bias from here if you want to invest in Bitcoin, because jumping in from here is not a wise idea if you are looking to invest in Bitcoin from the current levels. Right, guys? Is that clear? Those who are looking to trade Bitcoin, if you want to sell this, you can go for it because this is a valid sell setup. Again, in terms of trading, you can go for this sell and you can make a lot of money trading this drop. Okay, now, of course, all the crypto, I would say, fans are looking for this buy. All people who love crypto, who are following the crypto market, they want Bitcoin to go for 100, 150, 200K. That's actually normal. That's actually, we understand, but we are here to show you what they are planning to do, what the big players, what the market makers might be planning to do, so you will be safe and you do not lose your money. Okay, we want you to make money by following weighted waves forecasts. Okay, so for this one, again, this is a possibility. Do not actually be scared what might be happening if market falls. If market falls to break this low, this is a buy opportunity here. Okay, this is a perfect buy opportunity. Make sense? Now, what might change this one? That's what I'll cover now, and T will cover this in detail again during tomorrow's session with the levels. Okay, I'll cover the structure. T will give you the levels tomorrow. So in terms of structure, how this might, or like what can negate this wave if market keep pushing to the upside here impulsively and start to give you a corrective structure. If this happens, Bitcoin will not fall anymore. Bitcoin will go to the 100K from this level if market gives us this structure. Okay, again, this everything regarding Bitcoin structure, I hope this is clear and you know what to do next. Now, pound yen for this one, it's like all the amperes might give us a corrective structure and then up. What's next? Looks like market will give us a corrective structure, want to push up again to break this top. I'm not trading pound yen, guys. If you want to go for it, it's up to you. Like I said last week, I'm not trusting yen anymore. So if you want to trade this one structurally, up, corrective structure, and then up again. Okay? Anything can happen here for this to drop suddenly. Of course, I cannot see that at the moment personally. Euro New Zealand, for this one, market has fallen after breaking this top, and now we are expecting market to give us a big corrective structure to the upside, similar to this one, minimum. If we get this corrective structure, another drop will be coming. But for now, let's focus on this up wave, and then we'll update you after what will be the next structure. Okay? So for this one, I really hope some of you remember this up wave here to the upside from here and from here. It was perfect. Anyway, this is covered in detail, guys, on a daily basis by our seniors. Okay, so if you want the details about every single wave, every single move, where the market might be moving or when the market might be moving with the strategies, WTW Pro members, they get access to the daily sessions and the recording of it as well. So USD30 for this one, market went to the upside. We broke this top now. Up, corrective structure up. Market broke this top. And what's next? We are not buyers anymore. Now, the point is, we will not sell as well. Because for this one, market can go to the upside, give us a corrective structure to this level, and then one will push up before the next fall. What we're expecting here is a 5 waves structure, okay? This 5 wave structure, guys, it can give us a corrective structure similar to this one where you can trade, okay? So one more drop, and this impulsive wave, like we have some characteristics for these waves, guys. I cannot explain it here, but if I want to go for any setup for USD30, I'll be looking for the sell setups, okay? Is that clear? The sell setups should be above this top, by the way, above this top, all right? So above this top, if we get any sell setup, we will be going for it, and this sell setup can turn out to be an impulsive wave. Those of you who don't know what is the difference between impulsive waves, corrective wave, weighted wave structure, join the 7-day free trial. You will get access to the introduction of weighted waves, wave analysis concept. That introduction, it will give you a lot of information and it will help you a lot on how to read the charts or how to see the charts. Only from the chapter 1 of the masterclass course, you will start to see the charts differently. Again, this is an opportunity, guys, for you. It's up to you if you want to grab it or not. But for us, like I said, we are on fire. We are making money from trading. Our traders are succeeding on a almost daily basis. They are passing challenges. They are making money. And as you can see, we are showing you the proof on a weekly basis. With that note, guys, I wish you a successful trading week. You trade with care, and see all of you next Saturday. Thank you very much.